Gentlemen, today we are going to unbox the 77 B3 OLED, and this is coming the 2023 model, the latest. So as you know, LG just made 10 years in OLED business. This is one of them which they released, and Mr. Deepak is going to open the TV. So that's how we are opening, and here we go. Then you can cut this one.
Yes.
So that's how it is going to be. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how it's done, and this will be the screen side. And by the way, the stand, one second, the stand will be here. It comes like this. This will be our stand. Just open the stand. So that will be the first eye to our stand. This is how it looks like. This is our stand, and here we are. So we are going to put it here. Wait, I'll tell you what to do. So I guess now you know OLED slims are. I don't normally to explain to you. I don't need to explain to you how slim it will be. So let's go straight to the HDMI ports. This will be 120 hertz. This is the ARC. So this you'll use this for the soundbar. So since this is not written on anything, these two HDMIs means this will be 60 hertz only. The 1 and 2 to be 60 hertz. So if you're going to do the gaming, you'll have to use this at the back. Comes with the optical, comes with the RAN. This is for the internet, comes with the satellite and antenna cable. So right now we are going to install the stands, not the. We are going to put on the stand. So Mr. Deepak, what you didn't do is you didn't remove the screwdrivers from the top. So this will be the remote. Comes with a Todd, Shahid, batteries inside. So this will be our screws. We'll install the stand here.
This one.
Open.
Remote, eh?
Yeah, this is the remote.
Okay, remote. This one.
Don't tell our what? Our subscribers to kindly subscribe. Tell them. Okay guys, kindly subscribe to our channel.
TV subscribe LG.
Kindly subscribe to our channel. You'll find to our channel. You want to say also? You speak in Nepali, Say kindly subscribe to our channel.
Can we subscribe
to our channel?
to our channel?
Please press the notification button. Mr. Deepak, bring the.
This.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the stand. This small one, it will be at the back, and the bigger size will be there. And now it's time for the installation. Yeah, just put inside the batteries.
Okay.
Of course, our clients know how to install the batteries. And open. Screwdriver. Screwdriver किधर है? किधर है? So please guys, we love you so much. Please subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button so that you get any new coming videos, you'll be notified. Give me the screwdriver, please. I can just do it. Just tear the thing. And so, yeah, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem.
If purchase you want to work purchase, you want chili paratha tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You want chili paratha?
Chili paratha, yeah.
No problem.
Tomorrow.
No problem. Okay.
No, only in the word.
No problem. Alas, we are done. So, my dear subscribers, this will be the remote which it comes with in the box. Let me remind you to please kindly subscribe to my channel. So we are going to start by doing the setup. So we are starting the TV. This is how we are going to do our setup. Language, of course, English. Then next, we are in the Middle East. Welcome to Dubai, Habibi. Come to Dubai. You can call it UAE. So I'll be using my remote. I'll not use the ThinQ app. Next, Wi-Fi. You can choose the Wi-Fi. Let me select the Wi-Fi. So today I'll be using this guest free. So after inserting in your password, we'll press the enter, and once it connects, it's connected. So we'll just accept the terms and conditions. So these are the terms and conditions. You just scroll down, then you press the next. If you read Arabic, you can read them. I don't know how to read Arabic, then I'll just agree, because at the end of the day, I don't have a choice. You have to agree. So select all, agree. Then I believe I'll not be using any of these things. So let's go to next. It's on the table. So this will affect the sound quality which you are going to use. So choose wisely. So then I'll activate the AI sound and the AI picture. So the AI Picture Pro, it will help in enhancing the picture quality. Just have a look. Before and after. That's how it works. That's after, then the other one was before. So AI Sound Picture Pro also will enhance the sound quality. Let's go next. I'll skip this. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the LG TV. Choose any of these which you want to install. So once the installation is done, just cross this. So when you open your TV, it will come like this. Other applications will install by themselves. You'll see them appearing in a while once everything's done. But for the meanwhile, let me try to put my TV in a demo mode, because I'm in the store. For info, I don't sell them. If you want more brightness, you'll go to vivid mode. By the way, this TV will be 120 Hz, 2.1 HDMI. So you can use for the gaming, and it's coming with a Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. It comes with the HDR10 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, you see the applications already appeared. So just know that, guys, I love you. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You'll get the latest update, you'll get the latest unboxing. If any question you want to know, just ask, then your questions will be answered. I love you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's our OLED 77 B3. That's the size and that's the picture quality. That's how thin it is. It's a little bit slightly bigger compared to the C3. Yeah, if you compare it, it's a little bit slightly bigger. Some small millicentimeters. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you so much. I love you more.